Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we'll be showing you guys how to change the band out on your Google Pixel Watch. It doesn't seem as intuitive as the instructions, but once you figure it out, it is very intuitive. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see right next to the band, there's these little push-in buttons here on both sides. So you'll push it in and then push the band towards where you pushed in and it slides right out. Go ahead and do that for both. So you push in the button, slide it towards the button, and it comes out like that. All right, so just in case you wanted to switch to the smaller band that comes included in the box, you would do the reverse. Push in the button and slide it in. However, I've discovered that it's actually really easy to push the button in with the band. So you can see it kind of fits perfectly into place. So you push it, slides in, and it even clicks. Go ahead and do this with the top. So you see the button there, we'll just push in here, like that, slides in, there we go. And that appears to be the end of our tutorial on how to change the band on your Google Pixel Watch. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.